Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option, hit pause, and once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find app readiness. At the top somewhere you will find app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows 11 update, and if you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and paste these commands one by one over here, and these commands will do these things. So copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. If you receive any error, you can run the command once again. Copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. Copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key, run the last command now. Once done, now restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5086672 over here, and then click on search. Now, let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type. Go to system in Windows settings. Scroll down. At the bottom, you will see about option. Click on about. Here you can see system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And then click on KB5086672 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close all kinds of third-party application or services running on your computer. So if you have any third-party application services, if you have any third-party antivirus running, you can, till the time you are updating, you can disable your antivirus program. Once you are done, you can enable your antivirus program. If you have any kind of third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat, or if you have Riot Vanguard or these applications, you can try to close it. If that does not work, you can uninstall it and then restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now, and this will take some time. Once it is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept. So click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Save. Now let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.